Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change Game Center name. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should scroll down and find option Game Center and tap on it. In the parent menu we see option nickname. If you want to change Game Center name, you need to tap on the field below the username. You can type any name, but it must be unique. When you finished, just click on Done at the right corner at the bottom. And from now your friends will see your new nickname. And that's all, it was how to change Game Center name. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.